In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove indicators in Vantage markets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then I want you to click the trade section on the top corner. This will forward you to the trading panel. Now, if you see that your chart looks cluttered, or if you wanted to have a clean and better setup, all I have to do is super simple. Look at the main chart area for indicators like moving averages, or check below for any chart indicators. Okay? And then I want you to right click on the mouse that is hovering on the indicator panel and then click the settings. What will happen is you will be forwarded here. I want you to hover down below where you can see the status line. And then scroll down until you find the indicators. Now, you can remove all of these indicators like tiles, values, background if you want, and click the OK button. It's super simple. Now, this method works especially well in MT4 and MT5. And if you want to revert it back, all I have to do is right click on it, go back again to the settings, click the status line, and scroll down until you find the indicators. Check again all of these boxes. You see that? Changes are effectively seen immediately. And basically, that's how you remove indicators in Vantage markets. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.